I feel with that little video of mine, I've been able to convince you that Davido has been more than just a blessing to the Nigerian entertainment industry. And trust me, Tiwa Savage, on the other hand, has been another queen that has not given up ever in the industry and is not ready to give up. Trust me, consistency is key, and blessing people in this industry does not have to be with just the people you know. Everybody matters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.